yun. Okay, dahil dyan, try pa po tayo. And one more time. And 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! AJ! Alright, thank you so much, everyone. And without any further ado, let us all welcome the star of the day, Kuya AJ, together with Daddy and Mommy. Ayan, bigyan po natin ang mga sigabong palakpakan. in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, AJ! Alright, for the guests po, I would like to invite everyone to stand up po para sa... Tawag na Ronald McDonald, raise it! Okay, gagawin na po ay itataas ang hinahanap mong bagay or gamit. For example, Ronald McDonald, raise it, party hats. Okay, paunahan po tayo magtaas ng party hats. Kasi kung sino pa ang una kung makikita, sila po ang mabibigyan ng game prizes. Okay, handa na ang lahat ha. Okay, gusto ko yung pangmalakasan. Okay, for the first category, ito ay ginagamit natin 24/7. Uri ng electronic device and starts with tama kaya or tatama. Okay, Ronald McDonald, raise it. Stop it! Na may basa! Okay, 1. Ate Bella, dito. 1, 2. Grabe yung mga basag ng cellphone, kailangan na ipa-repair.
AJ! AJ!
Ayan, wala na po ba dito? Walang may basag dyan? Ba't sa akin muna? Gusto mo itong bawi? Pinabasag muna. Wala talaga, ma'am. Sige, bawi tayo sa next category. Okay, for the next category po, ito ay uri ng papel. Makikita sa ating mga lamesa ngayon. Hugis pa rin ba? Okay, Ronald McDonald, raise it. Bakang gawa sa papel! Go! Sige po, tupi-tupi, tupi-tupi. Yung mga po kaya tayo sa gipin sa araw ng tikbaw.
Smile!
Okay, bangka po, bangka. Grabe talaga yung mga bangka. Ayan, mukhang mahabang si 6, 5, 4, 3, and the thing starts with the letter B. Okay, Ronald McDonald, raise it. Bang! Nawalang laman! Okay, bang nawalang laman? Ayan, ang tatapang ng guest natin, tak-tak o tak-tak, yan ang gusto ko talaga. Lumalaban. Ito pa, Ate Bella. Sabi ko nga, babalik tayo lahat sa pagkabata, di ba? Okay, meron pa ditong tatlo. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 yung kids.
Wow!
Okay. Dito tayo, para hindi magkakadikit-dikit. Oh, bitaw-bitaw muna ng kamay. Okay, kids. Oh, yan lang po na yan. Oh, makinig muna kay Ate Jessa. Alam niyo ba yung head, shoulder, knees, and toes?
Yes!
Yes! Okay, at dahil dyan, magpa-practice tayo kasi yun ang magiging games natin, okay? Okay, practice tayo sa head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Okay, kids, sabayan!
Head,
Shoulders, knees, and toes.
knees, and head and shoulder.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Wow! Palakpakan na po natin ang ating mga kids. Ang gagaling. Okay, kids? Ang games natin yan yun. Okay? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Okay, makinig kay Ate Jessa. Pag sinabi ni Ate Jessa, asan yung shoulder? Ituturo niyo yung shoulder niyo. Asan na shoulder? Shoulder? Shoulder. Knees, toes, head. Head, shoulder, knees, toes. Ayan, magaling naman pala. Okay? Pero may twist sa Ate Jessa. Okay, pag sinabi ni Ate Jessa, asan ang head? Ituturo yung head, shoulder, knees, toes. At pag sinabi ni Ate Jessa bigla, cup, igagrab niyo agad yung cup. Knees, toes, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, toes, cup, cup. Okay, you need to grab the cup. Okay? Ayan, kukunin yung cup, kukunin. Okay, huwag natin tawanan, baka may tumulo. Okay, put it down again. Lagay ulit siya sa floor. Yan. Magpe-play pa tayo. Practice lang yan. So this time, mag-start na si Ate Jessa mag-eliminate. Okay? Okay, kids. Asaan yung shoulder? Shoulder, knees.
Knees.
Head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, toes, cup, cup. Grab the cup. Ayan. Nako, si Mami nilalabang ang kanyang dalawa. Okay, thank you for playing. Masama na yung tingin niyo. Thank you for playing, baby girl. Ate Bella, bigyan mo sila ng game prizes again. Sige, sit down ka na. Thank you. Okay, bigyan mo sila, Ate Bella. Ayan, nag-start na si Ate Jen sa magtanggal, kaya galingan nyo. O, pulit down again. Okay, yun. Ang gagaling naman ng kids. Okay, kids, another one. Nasaan ang shoulder? Shoulder, knees, toes, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, cup, cup. Yay! O, diba, sir? Happy siya. Thank you for playing, kuya. Sige na. Bigyan natin ba ng pabuya? Saya-saya lang yung kids natin. Okay. Ilan na lang kayo? 2, 4, 6. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Cup. Cup. Patawarin niyo po ako. Nakita ko po. Nalas talaga siya. Thank you for playing. Sit down ka na. Ate Bella, bigyan ng game prizes. Thank you, kids. Ilan na lang? 2, 4, 6. Okay. 1 na lang. Isa na lang. Sino kaya ang matatanggal sa inyo? Okay, kids. Lagay ulit. Okay, kids. Where's your head? Shoulder, knees, toes. Okay, you need to grab past the cup, okay? Okay. Shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, knees, shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder. Nagkakape po ba ito? Kanino po ito? Mukhang nagkakape. Ma'am, nagkakape? Nervyos. Okay. Saan yung toes? Toes. Knees, shoulder, head. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, knees, toes, head. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, come! Come! Agoy! Sabay-sabay sila. Okay, dahil sabay-sabay kayo, ilagay ulit. Magaling kayo. Magaling. Okay, asan ang shoulder? Head, knees, toes, shoulder. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head. Shoulder, knees, toes, shoulder, head. Head, shoulder, head. Shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, toes, come! Come! Ayan, nakita ko na. Nakita ko na po ang nahuli. Thank you so much dyan sa music. Ang gagawin ng kids is ibabasa ang cup sa inyong katabi habang sumasayaw. Okay, gusto natin dyan sa nagdadance yung mga kids habang nagpapas ng magic cup. Okay, for example, kayo ha. Okay, kids, shake your body. Okay, dito ka ba? Lilipat ka kay ate. Sige, lilipat. Ayan. Okay, kids, shake your body, dance! Okay, practice tayo ha. Okay, start passing the cup na to the next person. Start passing the cup. Dance, kids, dance! Okay, pass the cup. Okay, dance! The cup! Bantayan yung cup, nandiyan sa gilid, nasa tabi na, kunin ang cup. Okay, mabilisan ang pagpasa ng cup dahil pagtahan yan si Ate Jess at mamaya. Okay, magsasapot sa Ate Jess. Alright, for example, yan. Sino ang may huling hawak ng cup? Okay. Practice lang to. Kunyari si Kuya AJ ang last, dahil siya ang last na may hawak ng cup, siya yung tatanggalin natin. Then, si Baby Boy. Okay? Kaya, galingan magpasa, mabilis ang magic cup. Okay, get the cup and pass. Go, dance! Dance, kids, dance! You need to dance! Okay, pass the magic cup! Naku, umayaw na siya! Sige, go lang tayo, go! Okay na, kabis kami! Sino? Ayun, pinapasa niya pa. Nakita, pinapasa mo pa. Okay, thank you so much. Bigyan natin Bella ng sticker. Sino pa ang huling may hawak? Si baby girl. Okay, thank you for playing. Okay, ilan lang? 2, 4, 6. Okay, tatlo yung winner natin. Okay? Tatlo yung kukunin winner natin dyan. So, kaya galingan yung magpasa. Okay, kids! Shake your body, dance! Okay, start passing the cup.
I'm a bato gentleman.
Dance! Pick up your dance na. Pick up dancer to. Okay, kids, pass the magic cup.
잘한가 몰라
Kasi lang may hawak ng cup. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for playing. Sticker ka, Ate Bella. Okay, ilan na lang? Naku, 2, 4, 5. Okay, dalawa pa ang tatanggalin. Okay, hawak ang cup. Okay, pass na cup. Pass. Inilipat niya yung cup. Sige, ibasa. Okay, bas. Bas na ka. Okay. Ibasa. Ibigay sa katabi.
Bato-bato gentleman
Oh. Ayan, meron na tayong winner. Okay, thank you for playing. Lapit na kay Ate Bella. Lapit kay Ate Bella. Ang ating winner ay 3. Ayan, picture ulit. Ang galing ni Kuya AJ ngayong araw Hindi siya natatay Okay, thank you so much for playing, kids. Ang ating game prizes ay nandito. Okay, picture again ang ating kids na winner. Okay, ipakita yung game prizes. Ayun, nagpo na siya. Celebrate.
gentleman
Okay, smile, kids!
It's that day that comes just once a year. We are happy that you are still here. If you think you're getting old, well, honey, let the truth be told. You only have eternity to go. You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just drive. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance while you're smiling. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. One more time, sing and celebrate your life. Now's the time you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just drive. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
Macdo? 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 Chicken? Macdo? Chicken? Chicken? Nandito na si Mama. Nandito na si Mama. Oh, sige. Okay, last game. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go play. Macdo. Macdo. Grabe talaga. Okay, magpapatalo kayo yung kabila. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Team Lola Josie.
Wow! Name yun, ma'am, yun, ah. Okay, Team Lola Josie. Okay, sige po, line up po kayo. Okay, ang ating last game, ito ay tinatawag na minimum to maximum. Okay, magbibigay po ako ng category, tapos i-arrange po ang inyong mga sarili from minimum to maximum. For example, minimum to maximum, arrange yourself according to your sarili. Okay, pag okay na po kayo, isigaw po ninyo ang inyong mga group name dahil yung po magsisilbing tanda, kayo po ang nauna at kayo po ang unang i-interviewin. Ayan, nagtaas na sila. Team Juicy daw, sige. Okay, yan ang gagawin nyo mga pag narito ng mga sarili nyo, isisigaw nyo agad ang group name dahil kayo po ang unang i-interviewin. Dahil kapag tumama, 7, 8, 9, 9. Ayan, dahil nga practice tayo. Practice? Kaya naman po walang pang agad. Okay, kunyari, sa kanila 1996, 88, 1948. Okay, Team Josie got 1 point po. Okay, kaya galingan nyo, ha? Okay, for the second category, from minimum to maximum, arrange yourself. Kung pang ilan ka sa inyong magkakapatid, go! Sali niyo si nanay. Ayan, may makbo na tayo. Sige, arrange lang ang mga sarili niyo. Okay, dahil nauna ang Team Macboy, pangilan ka po, ma'am? Panganay! 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 Pangalawa! Pangalawa! Okay, Team Macboy got 1 point. 1 point tayo kada group. Okay, bawi tayo sa second category. Okay, for the second category, from minimum to maximum, arrange yourself according to your... Sino po ang nauna? Kasi pag Lola Josie nila, sumabay na din ang inyo. April? May? November. Okay, dito sa kabila? Month, ma'am? February? March? June? September? October. Okay. Parehas po kayo nakakuha ng 1 point. Okay, 2 point ba kayo? Dahil sabay po kayo sumigaw. Okay, sa last round kayo na 23. Okay, team ni Lola Josie got 3 points. Okay, winner na po ang ating team. Bigyan na ng game prizes natin, Bella. Grabe. Thank you so much for playing po. Thank you so much. Okay, tapos niyan po, picture po kasama si Kuya AJ. Para sa ating celebrant. Okay, si Daddy muna.
Hello? Hello? Hello, AJ. Happy 7th birthday. Wishing you all the best and wishing good health. And promise me that always be a good boy. And always listen and follow Daddy, okay? Always remember, Daddy is always be here for you. And I love you so much, no matter what, okay? God bless. Thank you.
Okay, si Mami naman po. Ayun, same lang.
AJ, happy 7th birthday. Listen ka lagi kay Daddy, ha? Pagkalas si Mami. Yeah? And good health. Okay? And then, yeah, be a good boy.
Alright, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. And now, Kuya AJ, make a wish and blow your candle. Yay! Batiin po natin ulit siya ng happy birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, AJ! Alright, thank you so much for the guest po. Maaari na po tayo maupo and wait for your food to be.
AJ, smile. Hi, Shay. Hi. Hi. Say happy birthday, AJ. Thank you for coming, Abby and Gio. Happy birthday. Thank you for coming. Oh, boy. And hello, thank you for coming. Happy birthday. Daddy Arnold, thank you for coming. Drew. Oo, okay lang. It's okay. Secretary, thank you for coming. Ma'am Treasurer. Oh, thank you for coming. Say hi. Oh. I-upload natin sa YouTube ni AJ.
Two, and one! Let us all welcome B-Bass! Alright, say hi, B-Bass! Hi! Nako, malaki si Kagibis ngayong araw. Nako, huwag mananakot ng bata, B-Bass. Sige po, pa-excuse na po si Grace at medyo marami nakain niya. Hindi na magkasya. Say hi, B-Bass, everyone! Hi! Wow!
Tapos si Isa.
Oh my gosh! Hi! Sige nga, lapit! Wow! Naku, binuhat. Ang ating celebrant, nag-hi din sa'yo. Ito, ang celebrant. Hi daw. High five! Wow! Okay, balita ko, B-Bass, may talent na for today. Meron? Naku, meron. Ang sigla-sigla ni B-Bass. Piling ko magtututalan to. Tama ba ako? Nako, palaban. Okay, dahil dyan, ito na ang iyong first talent, B-Bass. Show your talent na!
It's a G, what's a guy? Y'all me buy you, me like a cruise. Baby, now make your breath stop. I'll make your ass so my God, just
Wow, walang ano po natin siya! At dahil nga po, may pangalawang talent pa po yan. Kaya gusto niya po muna ng masigabong palakpakan for the second talent po. Paringita po si Grace na mga lagos na palakpakan! Alright, at dahil dyan, meron pa pang isa.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lovato Avocado, back here with another banger.
Grabe,
Like
napaka-angas.
this, get on your feet right now. We finna get lit. Hey, lean with it, stab with it. They don't pull out stab with it. Then they get you stop, then you get them mommy pop with it. Lean with it, stab with it. They don't pull out stab with it. Then they get you stop, then you get that mommy pop with it.
Yeah!
Stab with it. They don't pull out stab with it. Then they get you stop, then you get that mommy pop with it. Lean with it, stab with it. They don't pull out stab with it. Then they get you stop, then you get that mommy pop with it.
Alright, thank you so much, B-Bass. Now, ibigay mo na ang ating munting regalo sa ating celebrant. Okay, Kuya AJ, dito ka sa front.
Let's do it.
Stand up ka muna. Okay, dito tayo sa gitna remix yan. Para makita si Kuya AJ. Okay, Kuya AJ, pakitanggap ang aming munting regalo. Andiyan na magsisilbing tanda. Minsan ka na nag-celebrate ng iyong birthday dito sa McDonald's. Okay, take a picture, Kuya AJ. Okay, 3, 2, 1, smile! Yung waki naman daw.
Waki, waki, waki.
Wow! Waki pose!
Oh, waki pose. Jump shot, jump shot.
Okay, jump shot! 3, 2, 1, jump! Ay, perfect. Okay, thank you so much, kids. Okay, smile po everyone! Marunong si Gravis magagat sa talit ah. Buti ko si hindi, hata pa nga lalaki. Ako, huwag magpapaiyak ka. Wala akong magpapaiyak. Okay, sige na Kuya Gravis. Balikan na.
One, my co-parents po and to our relative. I just want to say thank you for joining the 7th birthday of AJ. We are grateful you give time and effort po pumunta po rito sa birthday ni AJ. So, once again po, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana po nabusog po kayo, pagpasensya niyo na po. So, a quick time lang po sa simple celebration po ng birthday ni AJ. So, sa pag-uwi po natin ay mag-ingat po tayong lahat. God bless us all po. Thank you po. To God to be the glory po. Thank you. AJ, sinurprise siya ni AJ. So, walang kaalaman lang si AJ. Kasi ang alam ni AJ, kakain lang kami sa food court sa ramen. So, wala siyang idea. So, nagulat siya na meron siyang birthday party. Pero, yun nga, limited lang yung guest. So, pero we're happy to, na celebrate po natin ng maganda at maayos po yung birthday ni AJ. So, thank you so much po.
Ano kulay? Yellow! Nagsasalita na pala siya. Yellow! Yeah! Ayan, wala na pong may gusto. Sa inyo po lahat ito. Ayan, sa mga gusto magdalawa-dalawa dyan, sige po, kuha lang ng balloons dito. Sa may kapatid yan sa bahay, kuhain nyo ng balloons. Violet, sige ma'am. Purple! Wala na tayong purple.
Scissor, scissor. Ayan. Our gift for mommy. Oh. What's that?
Show mo.
Show mo ah. A slipper. Oh. 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 What else? What's that? What's that?
Oh, you open the watch.
Open the watch.
Tapos i-wear na.
Oh.
Hindi ka nag-watch, hindi mo siya
Ah, hindi.
Yes? Wait ka baby o sakto lang? Here? Water.
Oh, what do you say, AJ? What do you say? What do you say to mommy? Oh, kiss mo, mommy. Kiss. Wow.
Bakit? Bakit?
Mm.
Nakaalis ka naman, may party ka, so you wear it na lang. Yeah? Wear mo nga yan kasi birthday mo.
Oh.
Itanggalin na lang sa okay? Yeah? Bate mabate. Bate mabate.
Show. Show it. Show.
Hindi ko pala natanggap.
Hey guys!
Oh. Oo. From Ace. Oh, where is it, Ace? Hmm. Oh. Oh.
Laruan ka na naman.
Hmm. Oh.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, mama.
Hmm. Oh, wow.
Take it out. Kami mga body parts.
Hmm.
May maliliit pa sa mga kasama. Hold it.
Oh, are you happy? Oh.
Ito.
Hmm.
May maliliit pa sa loob.
Hmm.
Yeah. Dito yan.
Ibabalik ko na sa...
Oh.
Pero ilagay mo ba?
Oh, basahin mo kung kanino.
Hindi ko alam.
Ayun oh, may nakalagay na tag. Ayan. Ayan, just a small. Basahin mo. Oh. Wala. Okay, sige. Oh, another gift. Open. Another gift. Ayan. Look on the label. Other side.
Wala.
Wala. Okay. Oh, open.
Wala silang nilagay.
Open it. Open.
What?
Wow. It's nice.
Yes.
Oh, another one. Read. Read. Throw other side. Read. Oh, happy.
Happy birthday, AJ from Sian.
Wow. Wow.
Solar system.
Mm. Mm.
Wooden.
Next. Oh, read.
Kai from Kai.
Oh. Oh. Open.
Dami niyang sinanggan ng
Oh, what's that? Wow.
ano?
What's that? What's that?
Billiard.
Oh.
Pero i-teach mo ako mag-billiard.
Okay. Mm. Oh. Oh, another one. Get for another one. Another gift. Oh. Oh. From
From Tito Boy
Tito Boy.
and family.
Mm. You can open here. Here. There. Put it the...
Wait lang, dati. Wait lang. Books? Mga
Mm.
books?
Yes. No, it's more books. Oh, what do you say to Tito Boy?
Thank you.
Oh, look on the camera. Smile. Oh, another last one. Last gift. There. Here. Oh, read it. Read. Read.
Who is it?
Oh, open it.
Nothing.
Here, oh. There, oh.
Well, wooden.
Okay.
Kaklase mo? Maraming alam mo.
Wow.
What's that?
What's that?
Clothes.
It's a clothes.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you, everyone.